my baby. What a lovely way of saying how much you love me. Having my baby